Hey beautiful people, Madame Sophy here again to do another eyeshadow tutorial. This time I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Huda Beauty new Nude Eyeshadow palette. This is one of the new eyeshadow palettes Huda Beauty recently came out with. Also, if you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, welcome honey. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. To my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in again today. Thank you for reaching out and watching what my channel has to offer today. I really appreciate you, and I really appreciate the encouragement that you have been giving me to continue what I'm doing here on YouTube. If you guys want to see how I came up with this final look using this eyeshadow palette, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my final take on the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. My only downfall with this eyeshadow palette is it has quite a few cool tone colors. I would say that it has 1, 2, 3, 4. I would consider at least 4 of the colors in here to be cool tone. So this side you have your cool tone and this side you have your warms. The eyeshadow palette also comes with a concealer that I did not use, but this is the concealer that it comes with. It's in this space right here. Now, according to the instructions Huda Beauty gave on the palette, it says you have 18 shadows in 5 ready to layer textures. You have 10 buttery mattes, and that is true. The mattes are definitely buttery. 4 multi-reflective shadows, and the 4 multi-reflective shadows that she's talking about is gonna be this one, this one, this one, and this one over here. These are the 4 multi-reflecting eyeshadows, and this is kind of the first. This is actually the first eyeshadow palette I'm coming across where I'm seeing that kind of, or that style of shadows. Well, this is the first eyeshadow palette I own with it like that, because I'm pretty sure that there are other palettes on the market basically doing the same thing, but this is the very first eyeshadow palette I own with this feature to it. In addition to that, it says you have 2 pressed glitters. The 2 pressed glitters are going to be this one over here and this one over here. And for the tutorial, you guys saw that I used this one over here, and this is actually called Infatuated. This is what it's called. It says 1 pressed pearl and 1 concealer base. The pressed pearl she's talking about is going to be this color right here. This is the only pressed pearl in this eyeshadow palette, and I also use this color on my bottom eye, on my waterline area. Sorry. So this is what it says. It says prep. And 1 concealer base, and I did show you guys the concealer base. It says prep your lids with the concealer base. Build your look with mattes and shimmers. Blend the multi-reflective shadows into your mattes for diffused light. Now, I didn't do that, but I did, but I used the multi-reflective shadow on my actual lid. That's what I did, and you guys saw that while I was using it, because it's a multi-reflective shadow. I believe it's one of those shadows that is not really meant for you to coat your entire lid with. It's kind of there for layering, but I really wanted this look to look, I just wanted my final look to be glamorous. So even though, yes, I somewhat blended it in with the mattes, I really used the multi-reflective shadow on my lid area, and then I also layered that with the glitter. Blend the multi-reflective shadows into your mattes for a diffused light. Apply over base or bare lids. Well, yes, you can apply over bare lids for a subtle pearlescent glow. Use your fingers, a sponge, a brush, a sponge brush or setting spray for maximum iridescent shine. Add the glitters with a firm dense brush for an extra pop. Now, yes, I did use a firm dense brush for the glitters, because I mean, it would kind of be impossible to use a regular brush for glitter. So I use my silicone brush to apply the glitters, and I also use my finger and also the brush to for the multi-reflecting eyeshadow color. I did use setting spray while I was applying these shadows, and the packaging of this eyeshadow is unbelievable, guys. I think Huda Beauty took their time to do this. Now, this shadow is on the pricey side, obviously. You gotta pay for fancy. So this is the box it came in. As you guys can see, this box is made of a plastic material. This is why it has this sleek look to it. So this is a plastic box, and it says New Nude Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks in the box. It kind of matches what's in there, so when you put it in the box, you kind of see this picture. So I mean, I think serious thought was placed into the packaging of this eyeshadow palette. It is definitely a new look for me. This is actually my 3rd eyeshadow palette from the Huda Beauty company. The first 2 eyeshadow palettes I own from them, I believe, would be the Smoky Obsessions and the Mauve Obsessions. These were the only 2 eyeshadow palettes I owned from them. and I just added the new Nude Eyeshadow palette to my collection. I think you could get a variety of looks just using this eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette has so much features to it. You have your concealer, you have so many different shimmers. I understand, yes, you only get one pro color, but I think that the other colors makes up for it. So this is my final take on this newbie from Huda Beauty. Is it Sophy approved? What kind of question is that? This palette is indeed Sophy approved. It is definitely Sophy approved. Yes, I understand it's on a pricey, or it's on the high end of your budget when it comes to makeup, but I think it is definitely Sophy approved. I love the look I was able to come up with using that eyeshadow palette. You have so many features, you have so many eyeshadows of different characters in this eyeshadow palette. Everything is working very well for me. I love it. Okay. It was worth my money. Would I recommend it? Certainly, I definitely will recommend it. Even though I'm sounding very redundant right now, but definitely I will recommend it. What else I can say about this palette? It definitely caught my attention. I cannot find anything bad to say about it. The colors blended seamlessly. It did its thing, girls. It did its thing, divas. It really did its thing. So that's it for today, divas. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you're new to the Madame Sophy channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way up, because you got to be part of the Sophia's Mix. You got to be part of the Sophia's Mix because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. All right, so I just wanted to give my take on this newbie. I really love this eyeshadow palette. I really don't regret purchasing it, even though, yes, like I said, it's on the high end of your budget. But it really did work in my favor when it comes to working with it. I didn't have difficulty with it. The only thing is, just be mindful that you're going to have to use your fingers or a very hard or dense brush when you're working with some of the different colors. Leave something nice in the comment section. Have you guys tried this eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty just yet? If you have, please let me know your take on this eyeshadow palette. Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Are you thinking about buying it but not really? I think you need to get it, okay? That's it for today, ladies. Don't forget to be you. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.